How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Gigabyte monitor not turning on. So fixing this problem is extremely simple. The first thing that you want to do is to reset all of your cables. So you want to start with the power plug. It's going to be on the back of your monitor right here. You also want to try to disconnect it from the power outlet itself. Wait for around 1 minute to make sure that all of the electricity has been drained out, and then you want to try to open it again. If that didn't work, you just want to simply clean the ports itself, because this this means that the cable isn't connecting properly with the port, so you just want to try to clean it off to see if that works. Well, from there, you want to try different HDMI or input sources. For example, we have something like HDMI 1, 2, the DisplayPort Type-C, and more. And then you just want to head over to the OSD controls, which is going to be the on-screen instruction. You want to look for the input sources, and then just select the proper source that you want to activate. So for example, if you have tried using HDMI 2, you want to select HDMI 2 on the display settings on your OSD right here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.